A 5-minute meditation to train the monkey mind, increase focus, and clear your headspace. Make yourself comfortable. You can sit or lie down, whichever you prefer. These next few moments are for you, and you are exactly where you need to be. Settle in. Tell your body it's time to rest. Tell your mind it's time to focus. You are the captain of your body and mind. Bring your awareness to the rise and fall of your chest, breathing deeply in and exhaling fully. Now, pay attention to the coolness on the tip of your nose as you breathe in and release. Wonderful. For a few moments now, bring your conscious awareness and your attention to the sound of the music. When your mind starts to wander, and it will get lost in thought, lovingly bring it back to the sound of the music. When you identify that your mind has wandered, think of a trigger word, a keyword, such as nope, back to focus, refocus, recenter, whatever feels right for you. Choose your trigger word and begin centering your attention on the notes, the music. Well done. With practice, your focus muscles will get stronger and stronger. Use this trigger word throughout your day today and ask yourself, what am I thinking about in this moment? And does this pattern of thought serve me? Today you'll be more aware of your stream of consciousness than ever before. Unlike a monkey that swings from tree to tree, almost aimlessly, you'll be more focused and intentional than ever before. Bring your awareness back to your breath, the rise and fall of your chest. Very well. Take a few moments every single day to practice this meditation, and you will find with repeated practice, your attention will be more laser beamed, more focused, and you'll get more of what you want in this life. Now go out and enjoy your clear headspace and an increase in focus and attention.